In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create marketing materials with Gemini Gems. By the end, you'll have a custom gem ready to generate a social media post, an email campaign, and a catchy promotional tagline for a small business. Start by opening your Gemini account. Make sure you're on the main dashboard so you can see the navigation clearly. From here, look for the option labeled Gems. This is where you manage and create custom helpers that follow your guidance. Click Gems to enter the workspace. Next, click New Gem. This creates a fresh gem you can tailor for marketing tasks. You'll see fields to name your gem and to add a description and instruction. In the name field, type marketing sample. Keep names short and clear so you can recognize them later. In the description, briefly explain what this gem is for, such as generating consistent marketing materials for a small business. In the instruction field, be more specific about tone, audience, and deliverables. For example, you might mention that you want friendly, professional copy with a clear call to action, suitable for social platforms and email, and that the outputs should be concise, on-brand, and easy to adapt. Once you've added the name, description, and instruction, click Save. Saving locks in your gem's purpose, so it follows your guidance each time you use it. You should now see your marketing sample gem ready to accept prompts. In the prompt area, enter the request you want the gem to complete. Type, create a complete set of marketing materials for a small business called Bright Boost Marketing, including a social media post, email campaign, and promotional tagline. This prompt gives the gem a clear target and a defined set of outputs. If you include constraints like tone or character limits inside your instruction earlier, the gem will use them here to shape its response. Now, wait patiently while the gem processes your prompt. You'll see it generate results in stages. Avoid refreshing or navigating away until it finishes. The timing can vary based on complexity, but letting it run ensures you get a complete package. When it's done, you should have a social post crafted for quick engagement, an email campaign with a subject line and body copy, and a succinct tagline to tie the brand message together. That's it. You opened your Gemini account, navigated to Gems, created a new gem, named it Marketing Sample, added a clear description and instruction, saved it, entered your marketing prompt, and waited for the results. You now have a reusable gem for marketing tasks whenever you need them.